Mtix, the Midoco Travel Index, shows how travel sales are developing day to day, and is based on more than €11 billion turnover of travel services sold annually in Germany. It differentiates between business and leisure travel as well as on and offline bookings. It calculates a 7-day rolling average and compares it to the last crisis-free year for tourism, 2018, as a benchmark. It can be narrowed down by market segment and period under review, and allows the comparison with not only the previous day but also the years 2018 and 2019. Keep up to date. Mtix, the Midoco Travel Index, measuring the heartbeat of the travel industry.